Welcome to Sphinx, the integrated security software developed by Keyking. Sphinx integrates the most important security elements under one solution. Sphinx also integrates some building management functions. This includes the CCTV, the intrusion system, the access control system, the car parking, and even the air condition and the electricity control. Sphinx is designed for the security officer to be used in a very user-friendly manner. Sphinx command and control interface is divided into three parts. The first part is the map area in the center. The second part on the right hand are the CCTV cameras. The third part on the lower end are the events, the security events. Sphinx is providing a true convergence of different security systems over the IP communication. CCTV, intrusion system, access control are all integrated through TCP/IP communication. The Sphinx graphical interface allows the security officer to easily navigate between different locations, different sites and areas. For example, we can see that the security officer needs to monitor from one central point 4 different sites. The first one is in London, the second is in Paris, the third in Milano, and the fourth is in Barcelona. Sphinx allows us to do a zoom-in, zoom-out navigation and to go deeper and deeper in each one of the different sites. For example, let's explore the site in Paris. Clicking on the Paris icon will take us to an aerial map of Paris where we can select 2 different buildings to explore. Building 1 or Building 2. Going back to the main map, and we can visit London. Then again, explore 1 or more buildings. In each building, we can explore the different floors maps. For example, if we explore floor number 1, clicking on the map, we can see the map of the floor with all the security components. This includes the doors, the locks, the cameras, the intrusion zones, some sirens, some exit buttons, or additional inputs and outputs for the building management. If we return 1 level up, then we can explore also the second floor. In this way, we can explore parking or even different sites and different buildings very easily. In Paris, for example, we have 2 different buildings. Building 1 and Building 2. Let's focus on Building 1. If we go to floor number 1, as soon as we open the floor map, we can see all the security elements as well as the active CCTV cameras on the right pane. The icons are presenting the status of each element. For example, the icon of the door is showing that the door is right now closed. However, as soon as the door is opened, the icon will change status and will be opened. The zone of the intrusion panel is right now disarmed. However, if the zone will be tripped due to some motion in its area, then the zone will change its color accordingly. The active cameras has the green mark, while the other cameras are in blue. If we would like to switch to a certain camera, we just need to click on the camera and we can watch the camera in a live video. Of course, we also have the classical view of a CCTV matrix where we can see the entire cameras connected and playing. If a valid card will be flashed at one of the doors, We can see the person that was entering the door, and we can hear the transaction. Sphinx allows the security officer not only to monitor the system but also to control it. For example, we can arm the entire system from Sphinx. We can hear that the partition was armed, and we can see that one of the zones has changed its status from blue, meaning disarmed, to green, meaning armed. Now, if we will activate the intrusion alarm at this moment, the system will alarm. Let's simulate an intrusion event with alarm. We can see on camera number 1 that the door is closed. The door is also watched by an intrusion zone.
Alarm. Alarm.
The guard is experiencing an intrusion event. All the systems are alarming, including the zone that is blinking, and as well as the audio acknowledgement of alarming. Therefore, in order to stop the audio alarming, it needs to acknowledge by clicking acknowledge. And then you can click on the partition disarmed, and the intrusion system will be disarmed. Not only that the security officer could watch the live event on camera number 1, he can also investigate the event by clicking the event and then clicking on the view captured, watching the JPEG, the snapshot that was taken at the moment of the alarm, as well as the video of the pre-recording and the post-recording of the event. In this way, the security officer can have the video recording before the event, during the event, and after the event in one click. The preview window is also providing the other information regarding the location of the event. Let's demonstrate another type of event, an invalid card event. Even if the security officer is watching the global map, as soon as a critical event will happen, the relevant map with the location will pop up. An invalid card will be flashed now, and we will expect the map to pop up. We can hear the invalid card event, we can see that the relevant map has popped up, and we can see that the relevant camera that is showing the reader where the invalid card was flashed has popped up. Just like before, we can click View Captured to see the reader at the second of the invalid card flashing, as well as the video clip that shows us the seconds before the invalid card event, through the invalid card event flashing, and after. In this way, once again, we receive only the important information and videos of the event. As mentioned, Sphinx can also be used to control the car parking. If we go to the car parking floor, we can open or close the gate, as well as limit in the software the number of cars that can access the parking lot.